Iwan muna natin yung mga bars, resto bars and restaurants and beer houses sa Makati at BGC. Tonight, samahan nyo ako. Nandito ako sa UST. Shoutout nga pala sa mga viewers natin dyan na taga UST, Go Uste. Ang objective natin tonight, maghahanap tayo ng mga may inuman dito sa around the UST area. Nandito ako ngayon, naglalakad ako ngayon right now sa Dapitan Street, just behind UST. And I'm so surprised kasi sobrang laki na ng pinagbago nitong area na to. When I was in college here about 20 years ago, may mga kainan dito, mga karinderya lang. But right now, it's so alive. Sobrang dami ng mga coffee shops, mga restaurants. But I'm not yet seeing any bars or inuman places. Of course, kasi as far as I know, bawal yata around the school area ang mga inuman places. But we're gonna find it. Anyway, so I'm here right now sa kanto ng Asturias at saka ng Dapitan. Pupunta tayo dun towards the Laon-Laan Street, Laon-Laan area. Baka dun sa mas malayong part ng kabilang street ng UST. Baka dun may mga inuman places. You know, so you can find here different kinds of restaurants like this one. There's New York style, there's Chinese, Korean, and yeah, meron pang Thai street food. On the other side, they have Mexican, another coffee shop na aesthetic dun sa kabila. Yan. There's Korean fried chicken here. Ang dami mga coffee kiosks. Oh, here's another Chinese area. Oh, Chinese ba ito or Korean? I don't know. Japanese yata ito. This spot around the UST area is just this street. Near UST area is just a tiny fraction of the places na pwedeng mapuntahan around UST. Kanina, nag-iikot kami kanina while driving. Dami ko pang nakitang mga areas or mga places na may mga food parks and mga kainan. But I'm not sure kung merong inuman dun sa mga areas na yun. But right now, I'm walking dito sa dark part ng Laon-Laan. Kumaliwa tayo dito. Tapos ang balita ko, meron ditong isang bar na pwedeng ma-order ng mga alcoholic drinks. That's what we're here to find out. So nandito ako ngayon guys sa Four Monkeys Pub. And unfortunately wala silang beers. So I was forced to order cocktails. Meron silang mga cocktails sa selection. I ordered one cocktail and it's 400 pesos. My first thought was, ang mahal naman ng cocktail dito, 400 pesos. That's presyo ang Makati and presyo ang BGC na yun. But anyway, sige, maybe special yung cocktail na yun. So in order ko. But I was so surprised kasi nung dumating yung cocktail, it's not one glass. Look at this. Ang binigay sa akin is isang pitchel. Isang pitchel ng cocktail pala, yung 400 pesos na yun. 2 litro yata to, but I forgot what it's called. Something about lemon or lemon. It's mixed daw of lemon and brandy and rum. That's what the waitress said kanina. So now I'm gonna try to drink this cheap University Belt cocktail dito sa Four Monkeys. Let's try it. There you go. That's just one glass of it. Oh my God, it's so weak. I don't feel the alcohol at all. Parang mayroong konting guhit ng rum sa lalamunan. But it's so weak. I don't know kung malalasing ako dito. But of course, kung uubusin ko yung ganyan karami ng drink, 2 litro, I'm pretty sure malalasing ako dyan. Let's see. I don't know yet kung maubos ko yan. Good thing, meron din ditong bilyaran. Wala naglalaro, so might as well just play some billiards all by myself. So anyway, long story short, hindi ko naubos yung pitchel ng cocktail na in-order ko dun sa bar kanina. But I ended up sharing it with the friends that I met there in the bar habang nagbibilyar. Again, shoutout sa mga Tomasians. Go Uste. Let me know down in the comments kung ano yung pinupuntahan yung area or bar or whatever beer houses dito. Let me know. Pumutahan natin yan. It's a completely different experience. It's a different world here in University Belt. Completely different from what I'm used to sa BGC and Makati. But it's a good experience. I must admit, tinamaan din ako. Hindi ko nararamdaman yung alcohol kanina habang iniinom yung cocktail na yun. Pero right now, I'm feeling the buzz. I'm feeling the alcohol in my veins and in my blood. So I guess it's a good cocktail.